Hi guys.
Hang on. You do a piece of camera so we can see this in the background.
Right.
So you're looking at me. Are you wanting to read off that?
Yeah, just so my viewers can pause at any time.
Okay. All right then, go on then.
Right. Hi guys, here we are at Dinsdale station.
Let's look at the camera.
Yeah. Here's a bit of the history all about this station and how it first started. So Dinsdale station was opened by the North Eastern Railway on the 1st of July 1887. Although it is in the village of Middleton St George, the station was named Dinsdale in the hope of attracting visitors to take the waters at nearby Dinsdale Spa. From the beginning, the station was served by trains running between Darlington and Saltburn via Middlesbrough, as it still is today. The station's busiest period was during World War II, when it was used by the many servicemen and women serving at the nearby airbase originally known as RAF Goosepool, and later as RAF Middleton St George. It is now Durham Tees Valley Airport. And here's a few other pictures.